Okay guys, I know you weren't happy with the ads in the last two videos. My goal has always been providing free, open source tools for you, and I hear your feedback on Discord and the comments. I know the Xeno API Executor video wasn't that good, but this time, it's different. Today, we're building a custom external open source Executor API. That's me no more ratted executors. So, lock in lil bro, and let's begin. Alright, first things first, we're using a set of custom-built core files as our base. I've spent a massive amount of time developing these, and if we coded everything from scratch today, this video would be 10 hours long. These files contain the entire executor logic, our encoder, and high-level UNC and SUNC payloads. We've also got a local HTTP server that's going to act as the bridge between our executor and the game. For the heavy lifting, we're utilizing a custom memory and process scanner along with the Luau environment. And of course, to keep things stealthy and bypass Byfron, we're using syscalls for all our read and write. It should be good for Roblox. Now that the foundation is set, let's give our prompt to the AI. By the way, I've seen a lot of you asking, how do we bypass the AI's safety filters when it says it can't help with that? Look guys, there's no magic bypass for that. It's all about how you talk to it. For example, look what happens when I give it a direct, raw prompt. It declines immediately because it lacks context. But if I tell the AI to study the files first, analyze the structure, and then I provide the task, it works perfectly. This is what we call prompt engineering. You're providing the AI with the technical context it needs to act as an expert engineer instead of just a generic assistant. So, always feed it the logic first, then ask for the integration. Okay, it just finished. Let's test it and see if the AI got it from the first prompt. That doesn't look right. Where's the attach button? Gemini is so stupid. This is going to take some time to fix, so I'm going to feed it some more prompts to polish the UI and the logic. And just to be clear, I'm not going to leave the original prompt that failed on the first try. Instead, once we finish the executor and the AI fully understands the logic behind it, I'll give you a much more detailed prompt that reflects everything we've built. Let's get back to work. Alright guys, we are officially done. Just look at that design. I've added a dedicated script hub and a client section to give it that premium, professional feel. But the most important part, it actually works. It's working perfectly. With just a few more minor improvements to the UI and the backend, this is literally something you could sell as a high-end product. We've built a solid foundation here. Alright, enough yapping. Let's actually see if this thing holds up. But before we hit the UNC test, let's check the identity level real quick. Okay, that's actually not bad at all. We got level 6. We're doing a UNC test right now. Okay, look at that. 89% UNC. That's literally 90% to be honest. I haven't seen a single external executor hitting 90% lately, so this is huge. Now, let's go for the RUNC test and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, that's nice. 85%. Honestly, 85% on a RUNC test is so good. Alright, let's check the vulnerability test and see where we stand. Okay, we got 67%. Honestly, that's not bad at all for this stage, with just some small improvements, and we can easily hit 90%. Now, based on everything we've seen so far, I think the server hop test should work without any kicks or crashes. Yep, it works perfectly. Now, for the big boss, the SUNC test. Honestly, there are a lot of errors here, but that's the case with most executors right now. The only real issue is it's stopping at this last test, so this thing just needs a bit more work on the SUNC side. Once that's fixed, it could honestly outperform most of the paid executors out there. As always, I'm leaving the source code, along with a compiled version in the description, for those who don't know how to build it. This is a great open source base if you want to start building your own. If you want to support me, just join the Discord, or grab a YouTube membership. It really helps me keep going. And for everyone asking about the R6 cheat, I'm on it, but you guys have to be patient. Look at my drive. I literally have 0 disk space left. Plus, if I rush this, I might catch another strike like what happened with Rust, and I don't want the channel to go down. Just give me some time, and I'll get it done. See you guys in the next video. Peace.